How to add approvers to custom workflows in Wrike. Hello friends, hello everyone. Welcome to another tutorial where I'll be teaching you how you can add approvers to custom workflows in Wrike. So I know you are ready to learn, so let's go. The first step is to log in into your Wrike account, and the second step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, top left corner of the screen, sorry, where you can see your X logo. Next to it, you can see your profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on the profile icon, in the box displayed, you can see options or tabs such as settings, workspace appearance, recycle bin, apps and integrations, mobile apps, help, privacy and policy, logout. Just click on settings. Okay, so after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, the next step is to move again to the left side of the screen where you can see options like profile. You can see two tabs, actually major tabs, such as personal settings and then accounts management. Just move to the accounts management tab. Under it, you'll see options like users, work schedules, request forms, workflows. Just click on workflows, and then you'll be brought to the workflows page. So on this page, the next step is to choose the workflow you want to add approvers to, or you can create a new one. For me, I don't have a workflow, so to say, besides the default workflow. So I can just create a new one. So after clicking on new workflow, or whichever one you select, you'll be taken to the page. Now on this page, the next step is to add status for the workflow. It could be active. We can add status by selecting a user. After that, you can add more users if you want. Then you have to select a status if it's active or completed. For me, I'll leave it as active, and then click on add approval. And after clicking on add approval, another box will be displayed. In this box, you can decide to add more statuses. Okay, you can even decide to change the color if you so desire. Then you have to select approvers. Yes, you have to select approvers. After selecting approvers, you can now add a tax creator as approver if you want, or you can add files to approver. Then select all of the options that you want. Then select the number of approval days. For me, I'll be picking 15. Okay. And then once you're done, just like that, the approver would be added. All right, so that is it. You can see that's just how to go about it. Click on save, and just like that, an approval has been added to the workflow. So this is how you can go about it. All right, this is how you can add approvers to custom workflows in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.